What's up, guys? We are at this place that some of you may recognize. Here's the Lennox Merit, which has been running. Interlink fan motor. It's 3-bladed. You guys all know that. Yeah, I think that's been run. May 2018, 14 SEER, 2-ton. It's got an LG compressor. That sucks. And over here, you guys may recognize this one. This 2011 thermal zone. Cool and sweaty. Very warm. 2011. Yeah. That is a 4-ton from July. Scroll. Here's this Goodman. That's super hot air. And that is, I don't think that sounds very good. Cold and sweaty. Very hot. November 2011. 13 SEER 3-ton. US fan motor. And that York over there got replaced. Here's a brand new Carrier comfort unit. This replaced a York Latitude that you guys may remember. Zongshan Browshan fan motor. I think it's been run. Let's see. I think so. It's a Carrier. Emerson Copeland scroll. Thankfully not an LG. That is kind of a shame. November 2024. 2-ton. I miss that York. Nice new Carrier. Don't know when this thing was installed. It's a Carrier comfort. Ooh! Nice! That scared me. Nice start of this brand new 2024 Carrier. It's getting cold. That doesn't sound very good. Yes, brand new Carrier. Good picture. There we go. And there's a car right there. It's kind of windy, so yeah. I'm gonna wait. That was cool to see a start of that. Here's the Frigidaire over there. It's running. Oh, yeah, it is. That's hella heat. Browshan motor. This thing is super quiet. Cool and sweaty, hot, actually not that warm. 3-ton from 2020. Yeah. Now on to the next batch of units. That brand new Carrier doesn't sound that good, by the way. Here are the 2 Yorks that you guys will probably recognize. Well, I can stand on this. Oh, this thing shakes. No micro channel, which is nice. And I just stand on this and be careful. And these are heat pumps. Oh, this has been run. Why am I struggling with this? July 2010 2-ton. That's a giant 2-ton. And yeah, I have to step off over these line sets and look at that Fujitsu's line set. It's not that warm air coming out the top and it's rattling. Where is that rattling? That's not that warm. Yeah. I think these are recips. They're quiet though. 2010. 2-ton as well. I don't like having to step over line sets. Ow. Son of a bitch. Yeah, this thing doesn't sound that good. And this thing isn't run. When is that from? Does anyone know when that's from? It's a 1-ton from I don't know. Can we head backwards? Alright. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.